was crazy. Literally, it was like left turn, and it was one way. Like, I do not know how 2 cars would fit. They just wouldn't. But yeah, it's so stunning, and I can look over and like see the city. I'm so excited to see you. Now I'm gonna unpack, take my stuff inside, and yeah, just get settled down. Good to see you. Good morning. It is the second morning. I am gonna tidy up the room and then I can give you a tour because it's so nice. So this is the entrance and this is where you come in, and as you can see, this big double bed has an electric blanket, some storage, a little desk / table, then a little wee kitchen, which was great, and then it goes to the bathroom. Oh, shaky footage. And it has a washer, shower, really pretty art. That's me. Yeah, and then a table, and then a little viewing area outside.